Start your journey in the hospitality industry with the Certificate 2 in Cookery at WesTEC. This nationally recognised, VETIS-funded qualification is delivered off-site in purpose-built commercial kitchens and provides hands-on training in food preparation, kitchen operations and hospitality industry practices. Practical elements of this course include preparing and presenting a variety of food dishes, using commercial kitchen equipment, applying food safety and hygiene procedures, working effectively in a kitchen team, interacting with customers, and developing an understanding of cultural awareness in hospitality settings. Students gain valuable industry experience while developing the confidence, teamwork and technical skills required to succeed in a fast-paced industry. Through practical learning and real-world kitchen experiences, WesTEC prepares students for future opportunities within the hospitality sector. At WesTEC, we help students turn their passion for food into practical skills and exciting career opportunities in the hospitality industry. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website